Hello students, today we'll start exercise 6.3. Before that, we will learn one very important property of a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle, okay, A, B, C, and we know that in triangle there are three angles, isn't it? So the angles are A, B, and C. Now this particular angle is exterior to this triangle ABC. Exterior means it is outside the triangle. That is angle ACD is exterior to this particular triangle. Now this exterior angle, that is ACD, is adjacent to this angle, that is ACB. And what about these two? These two angles are clearly opposite to this exterior angle, isn't it? That means angle A and B is opposite to this exterior angle. Okay, now we'll build some relation between this exterior angle and these two opposite angles. Now what is the relation? Angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. Remember this is a relation. Based on this relation, we will do the entire exercise 6.3. Okay, so what is the meaning? That is exterior angle, this is the exterior angle, is equals to sum of opposite interior angle. So these two angles are opposite, as because they are inside the triangle. That is the reason I have said opposite interior angle, and sum also, we are doing addition also. So that is the reason I have written sum. Okay, the sum of opposite interior angle, that is this exterior angle, is equals to the sum of opposite interior angle. Similarly, we will understand this also. In this particular triangle, this is an exterior angle. Now which two angles are opposite to this angle? These two angles. Okay, so this angle is equals to sum of these two angles. Again you see this one. So in this particular triangle, this is an exterior angle. Now this exterior angle will be sum of this two angle. Okay, so this is how we will perform exercise 6.3. okay, based on this property. Let's start. Now the first sum, question number 1. Diagram is like this. Okay, now this angle is given 50 degree, this angle is given 70 degree, and this angle is given x. So you have to find x. Okay, now x is an exterior angle, so x will be what? X is equals to 50 degree plus 70 degree. Now you have to write the reason for each case. That is exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite interior angle. Now this property you have to write. Okay, now what is the value of x then? 120 degree. Simple, isn't it? So one part is, number 1 is done. Number 3, we have a figure like this. This is a figure of sum number 3. This is 30 degree, this is 40 degree, and this is x. So x is again an exterior angle, so this angle will be the sum of these two angles. So x is equals to 30 degree plus 40 degree. Now again you have to give the reason, student. I am not writing it. Again you have to write the same reason out here. Okay, you have to write it. So x is equals to 70 degree. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 3. Let's move on to the next sum, that is sum number 5. Sum number 1, 5. 1, 5 is like this. Yes. Okay, so this is 50 degree, this is also 50 degree, and you have to get the value of x. So x is an exterior angle, so exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite interior angle. So x is equals to 50 degree plus 50 degree, that is 100 degree. So x is equals to 100 degree. Now again you have to give the reason. Exterior angle is equals to the sum of opposite I and T dot interior angle. So this is what we have to do. Okay, so let's move on to question number 2. Sum number 2 is also very similar. Okay, now very easy. Number 2. Let's begin with number 2. Figure is given like this. Now this exterior angle is given 100 this time, and this is x. So one of the interior angle is given x now, and another interior angle is given 70 degree. Now this is exterior angle, so this angle is equal to sum of these two angles, so we'll write it down. 100 degree is equals to 70 plus x. Okay, again you will write the same reason why you have written. Okay, that is exterior exterior angle equals to sum of, you will write it down. Okay, now we have to find the value of x, so we can write this equation in this form also, that is 70 degree plus x equals to 100 degree. We can write in this form also. Now we have to remove this 70, so you know that what you have to do, you have to subtract it. Both the side we have to subtract 70 degree. Now this will be cancelled, so x equals to 50 degree. So this is the solution of sum number 2 of question number 2. Now let's move on to question number 4, sum number 4. Sum number 4 would be, sum number 4 is, yes, figure is like this. This is the figure. This is 120 degree. This is x, and this is 60 degree. Now again we will write 120 degree equals to 60 degree plus x. Again you will give the reason, that is exterior angle equals to, you know what you exactly have to write. Now this could be written as 60 degree plus x equals to 120 degree. Now we have to eliminate this 60 degree, we have to remove this. For that we have to subtract 60 on left hand side, and the same thing we have to do on the right hand side. So this 260 will be cancelled, so x equals to 60 degree. So this is the solution of sum number 4. Let's do sum number 6. I believe that everyone is finding this sum very easy. Now sum number 6 is, figure is like this. This is the figure. So this is 35 degree. This is x, and this is 75 degree. So this is an exterior angle. So exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angle. So we will write the reason. Exterior angle equals to dot. We will write the reason, students. Now we can write this in this format also. Okay, now we have to remove this 35 minus 35 plus x equals to 75 minus 35. Both the side we have to subtract. This 35 will be cancelled, so x equals to 40 degree. So this is the solution of sum number 6 of question number 2. Now today's assignment is, I already hope that you have understood that you have to do 1 all, okay, and sum number 2 all the sums you have to do today. Okay, thank you and take care.